Hola party people, and welcome to Kim at Home. I've been needing a new sleep mask, so here is one that I definitely will be using. However, I have to wash it prior to using, so I will be using it for tomorrow night to sleep with. The back of the packaging gives you all of the directions on how to use and what to do prior to use. Here's what it looks like. It really feels soft too. I don't have my jewelry on because it's bedtime, but yeah, it really feels soft, and you cannot see me because I have night clothes on. I've created a morning routine for myself, so I always spray the sink with disinfectant after brushing. For me, I feel like certain things in life require routines. A few things about the sleep mask that I want to inform you of in case you're interested in buying it. First of all, the material feels like satin. It's very, very soft. There's cushion here and cushion around the eye part as well. Like I said, you do have to wash it prior to use. It just says to wash it with like water, and if you want to add some kind of detergent, you can add, well, hand wash. Let me be clear. You want to hand wash it, don't put it in the washer. You can wash it with like a mild detergent. I love how it feels. It blocks out sunlight, and we don't have blackout curtains anymore. And for me, as soon as I see daylight, I'm like, oh, what's going on? It's like I have an issue with, fear of missing out on something. I know this is not really a big comparison, but this is the sleep mask I had prior to that. And you guys can see it's pretty flimsy and it's cotton. So if it rubs up against your skin too much, you could get like some irritation on your skin. It's so soft. So if you're interested in something like this, I will leave the information below in the description box. Trust me when I tell you, all of my reviews that I do are real life. I'm using these items, and I really do like this. Just so that you can kind of get a glimpse of what I was talking about as far as how to wash it, how to use it, what to do prior to using. All of the information is on the box. I'm digging the 3D sleep mask, okay? This is actually made with silk, not satin. I don't know why I said satin. It's definitely made with silk. This feels so good. It's very soft. It goes right here. Doesn't irritate your nose, so it's skin friendly, unlike cotton. The thing that I really love about it is it doesn't leave any kind of pressure on your eyes. So if you have eye issues like I do, like my eyes get dry and like gritty, and they always water. So sometimes when I use a sleep mask, it just doesn't do well for me. So I'm just gonna throw those away. And I know that is like wasteful, but I don't think anyone wants to use it after I've used it anyway. So if you have issues like me, when it's bright outside, you can't sleep, this is the thing for you, let me tell you. It doesn't even help that my curtains are white either. In today's episode, I'm gonna organize some chaos, because y'all know I don't organize if you've been here for a while. And just a disclaimer, I never do Pinterest organizing. All I do is clean it up and make it look better than what it was before I got to it. So let me show you what we're working with today. So this area is the area behind my couch. And I need to get all that stuff straightened up because I feel like I have home decor everywhere. This is my utility closet, and there's a bunch of home decor in here as well, and it's just a hot mess. This is another closet that needs to be organized, and there's just all kinds of stuff in here. So that's what's on the agenda today, and I just don't even know where to begin. I mean, there's stuff everywhere. I didn't even show you guys the stuff in my garage because there's a lot of home decor in there as well. But I'm trying to just like condense everything and put everything together. The deal is I don't get rid of my home decor. I kind of shuffle it around throughout the years. And then I always say, hey, if somebody in my family or a friend wants it or needs it, they can have it too. But this is like really out of hand, and every time I open a closet or whatever, things fall on me. You should see my bedroom closet. That's a whole nother story. But anyway, so yeah, I don't even know where to begin, but I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out enough to not overwhelm myself and then go from there. For all of you who have clicked on my video for the first time, thank you so much, first of all, and welcome. My name is Kim, K-Y-M. This is my home, and right now I'm organizing some chaos. Okay, so I took everything off of the first shelf in the closet. Let me show you what we're working with. So the first shelf wasn't really that bad, but all these things need a home. I'm totally distracted, and I'm gonna show you why. My dream has always been to be a storm chaser. Let me show you what I'm talking about. That, my friends, is what you call a wedge cloud. Right over my home. This is crazy. Doesn't look good. Hopefully it passes, or I'm going storm chasing. I like to provide content on my channel pertaining to home life, so it could be cleaning, organizing chaos, cooking, car tutorials, things like that. If that is something that interests you, please do not forget to hit subscribe. Join my YouTube family. We are called the Keep Up Crew. We're just trying to keep up with our homes, our work life, and everything else in between. The overall goal for my channel is how to keep a tidy house on an everyday basis. I also provide a lot of tips along the way. This is the little pine cones from my Christmas decor. That was in my closet. It wasn't really that bad at all. Now this right here is really overwhelming, so I have to get this done as soon as possible. How can I believe it when everything is secret? Everything is secret. So I just realized this entire container has fall stuff in it, but I also have fall stuff in my utility room, so I better go grab that as well. How are you doing? What has been going on in your life? What are you working on? Are you doing any kind of projects for summer? Let me know in the comments below. I have a very long project list and I've started none of them. Life has just been really busy. Sometimes I feel like there's not enough time in the day to do everything that I need to do. If you feel that way, let me know in the comments. One thing that I've noticed about organizing is everyone has a different definition, just like having a different definition for something like deep cleaning. But for me, I'm not the best organizer. However, I can just organize chaos and make it look better than what it did, prior to me starting on it. Just remember, it does not have to be perfect. It won't be perfect. And as long as you can get to what you need to get to, that's all that matters. Sometimes we just put unnecessary pressure on ourselves and it just doesn't matter at the end of the day, right? We could be doing better things like enjoying our lives, spending times with our family, going on vacation, sitting at a beach, all that great stuff. When I had a daycare in my house, this was actually the kids' closet, so I'm really just needing to go through all of, the items in here to see exactly what I can use and what I need to throw away. Laying in your bed, fighting. Let's be social. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's Kim_@home. I'm in my Instagram stories every day. Please remember that my name is spelled with a Y, K-Y-M. You are not a baby, but you pretending to be a baby, aren't you? Silly goose. Disinfect your dustpan after each use. Here is the trash that I got from the utility room in the closet, and let me show you what the closet is looking like. And there's no longer a tornado outside either. The closet looks much better. This is not a Pinterest organization. This is a major extreme declutter. I've decluttered everything. I've thrown away a lot of stuff. I've donated some things as well. And you know what? It looks good to me. I can see the bottom of the floor. I'm excited that I did that. It was a long time coming. It took me a long time. I kept getting distracted by tornadoes and my niece. So I really feel like that was an extreme declutter. I'm so happy that I did it, and maybe try to declutter something once a week in your home, because that's exactly what my goal is, to declutter something once a week. I say declutter once a week because I don't want to get overwhelmed. I just, want to do things at my own pace. I mean, let's be real. Decluttering and organizing is not something that I look forward to. I know my limits. I know when I get overwhelmed with things all over the floor, I get anxious. My kitchen is not a disaster. I just have to do a really quick speed clean in here. You'll have to let me know in the comments below, what's your least favorite chore? A lot of people say the bathroom is their least favorite chore, but when Kim touches her bathroom, I know it's gonna be clean, okay? There's nothing like a clean bathroom. Here's another area that I need to tackle really soon. The majority of the cabinets and drawers in my home are a hot mess. They all need organized, but I'm just feeling kind of lazy and don't really want to do it, to be honest with you. Yep, I know it's sad, but it is what it is. But this drawer right here, I'm quite proud of. It's the little things in life for me, and I celebrate those little things. So if I have one drawer out of 50 in my home that is decluttered and organized pretty good, I'm happy. Remember to always celebrate your wins. You deserve to celebrate yourself. You deserve to know that you are loved, you are worthy, and you are needed. I really hope everyone has been saying their affirmations. They really do help. Here are my seasonings. We have Lowry's, we have garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. And the reason that it was on a paper, well, the reason why the chicken was on paper towels and a plate is because you're supposed to wash your chicken prior to cooking. Even if someone tells you not to, wash it anyway, because that's really gross. You guys, do not be telling anybody about this recipe that I am sharing with you because it is an ancient Kim secret. The main ingredient is love. I have some butter in the pan. Old Bay seasoning is the bomb on fried corn. I have to take a lip gloss break. So I needed to cook dinner for my family, and to be honest with you, I'm normally hungry a lot, but I was not hungry on this day. But all that there was barbecue chicken and corn, which I've made on this channel before. This fan is looking pretty dusty. I need to go ahead and get that handled. The ideal thing to do is to dust it off prior to wiping it with a wet cloth. Such a great idea to show your kids everything so they can help you out. I don't have the best balance when doing things. I really hope my physical therapist is not watching this because she just might yell at me. I have no business getting up on any stool to clean anything. Oh yeah, and Mom, don't yell at me. I'm just trying to get my house together. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to take everything out of this cabinet. I'm only going to, arrange a little bit. But it was driving me bananas, let me tell you. Oh, Gramita Love Mukbang. Here's my awesome girl. I have some upstairs too. Here is my vinegar to clean with. Okay, I just kind of rearranged some things around. I'm not trying to make it perfect. I'm not a Pinterest organizer. I just need to make things feasible and orderly so that I can grab it quickly. So I was told to wait until these plants are completely dry to rewater them. I have been waiting 30 days, so I just have it marked on my calendar to water them every 30 days. So beautiful. I'm just spraying the soil, and then I like to wipe the leaves off as well, but I don't do that every 30 days. This plant's name is Sharp Fresh, after my mama. This is a really, really cute dress. There is a hole in the dress, so I need to sew it. There is a hole right here. You've never sewn before. You would need to know that you have to sew this from the inside. Here's my little handy dandy on the go sewing kit. I triple knot mine. Triple knot is the best way to go. Okay, I have you sew like up and close and personal, but here is the seam line right here. So the best thing to do is just follow along the seam line so that it won't look bad at all. Here's my hole.
Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit.
Thank you so much for spending the day with me. I hope that you have an amazing week. Before you leave out, please do not forget to hit the like button as it really does help my channel. Let's beat that YouTube algorithm. Also, be kind to yourself because it helps you be kind to everyone else. We really need that in this world right now.
To get dressed and then we cry. 'Cause we
Here is the dress. I have my daughter holding it up for me, and you cannot even tell that it has been sewn. Sewn, right? Yeah, sewn.
I was your first love, and you were my first one. Just all the memories of
Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.
promise I won't forget.